and Chefettes.
What's up, YouTube? We are back with another banging video, baby. Guys, today we have another banging air fryer recipe for you.
Dab!
Don't be flicking dabbing in my video.
Ooh.
Don't dab in my video.
Ooh.
Only I just dab. I's the dab king. Dab! Dab! Yo, let's jump right into this recipe. I don't care. Good.
Oh, crazy.
Good. Guys, today we are making an air fryer steak recipe. Gonna need is your steak.
Boom.
Boom. What we need next, babe?
We're gonna use some green seasoning, homemade green seasoning, guys. You don't have this?
Guess what? Make it. Just make it. I'm gonna put the link in the description. Make the green seasoning. If you don't want to make it, you want to be lazy, use salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder,
All-purpose seasoning.
all adobo, all-purpose seasoning. If you like it spicy, a little cayenne paprika. That's it. But green seasoning is fresh, all natural, has all the flavors you're gonna need.
Yeah, and you can also not only use it for that, okay? You can use it for chicken, you can use it for rice, you can use it for beans, you can use it for beef, guys, and it stays in the refrigerator for a long time. Nobody cares about your waist. All right, so do yourself a favor and make this green seasoning.
Hater. Oh, okay. All right. You're gonna need your salt and pepper. Steak, you must use salt and pepper for steak. So, I'm not gonna lie. Depending on the type of steak you have, all you need is salt and pepper. I said pepper. Salt and pepper. Certain cuts of steak are flavorful. It has enough flavor where you don't need all that extra garbage. And salt and pepper is all you need. So this is a must.
Sometimes a little bit goes a long way, guys. Just remember that.
Tippy. What else we need?
You need yourself pan or cooking spray.
You gotta use that with your air fryer. That is your best friend. That is your air fryer's best friend. And when you use your air fryer, you need cooking spray.
And today we're gonna use some butter.
You gotta have butter. Guys, steak and butter are like brothers and sisters.
Oh yeah.
They
Definitely
go well together. So here's our ingredients. What we're gonna do is we're gonna season our steak with these ingredients we just told you. And then we're gonna put it in our air fryer for about, well, it all depends. All air fryers are different, but for our air fryer, we're gonna do about 15 minutes at about 350.
sounds good.
Make sure you check it because all air fryer times and cooking temperatures vary. So we're doing 15 minutes at 350, and then we're gonna see what it's looking like. All right, guys. So
Did you stick your tongue out at
I did not.
Oh.
Like I was saying, well, I was interrupted. All right, guys. So what we did so far is we buttered the whole top side of our steak. We put it in our air fryer on 350 for 20 minutes. And this is what it looks like.
It looks really good.
Can you see that?
As if you cooked it on the stove.
Let me get a little
It's
closer.
juicy, it's buttery, it's not dry, which is so important.
So now we're gonna flip it and do it again.
Yep.
So I'll flip it and you butter it.
Sounds good.
All right, Vanna? Totally. Excuse me?
I said totally.
Yeah.
What did you say, honey, bunny?
Yeah. All right, Vanna. Just butter the damn steak.
Sure.
Butter the steak.
I'm gonna butter it with love.
Yeah, more work, less talk.
Using a brush, guys, because it's just easier and it's not as rough, and it's gonna go all. Oh, thank you.
I hold it.
It's gonna go all over.
So once we butter it, we're gonna pop it back in our air fryer on the other side because we flipped it for the same amount of time.
Yeah.
350 for 20 minutes. So it may vary for your air fryer. So that's why you gotta check it. Every now and then open your air fryer and see if it's cooking too fast, too slow, and adjust it. All right, guys?
Wait, and let's show them what it looks like with this butter on there. This
Show them with the butter?
Yeah, I want them to see with this butter.
I'm gonna show you guys with the butter. So see that butter? We buttered the other side. We're gonna pop it back in our air fryer. And we're gonna show you the finished product.
We're back, guys.
Guys, the air fryer steak is ready. It is done. Guys, we didn't leave ours on 350 for 20 minutes for the second side. It actually cooked in about 15 minutes. That's why I said you want to check it. Make sure you don't burn it because all temperatures vary in every air fryer. So we did 20 minutes on one side, 15 on the other, both times at 350. And now we're going to show you the finished product.
It is so, you can see how juicy it is. You see how like it's not dry right there?
And
Like,
she added rosemary on top
I did.
for the last couple minutes in the air fryer. So you guys can do that too. And it gave it a good flavor because I was smelling it.
Yeah, you like it's strong, but it gives it a good.
Yeah, let's try it.
Is it delicious?
It's so moist.
And it's so soft. I want you guys to just look. You see that? I wish I could see the. Get out of here.
Oh. It's good.
So soft. Oh
Guys,
my god.
let me show you the slice.
Oh my god, so soft.
Make this air fryer steak. Guys, and if you like your meat, we like ours medium well. If you want it medium rare, just cut the time down a little bit. Instead of 20 minutes, do 10 to 15 minutes, guys.
So good.
This is good. Let me show y'all one more time.
It's not too much because I want to eat.
All right. So, guys, hope you like this air fryer steak recipe. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And we are out.